we will be doing a tracing paper transfer onto our Lino block. First, make sure you understand that our designs need to incorporate lines that will be carved no thicker than the thickness of a Sharpie marker. Please put your name onto your tracing paper. Go ahead and trace around the outline of your piece. This will line up better when we line it up onto our Lino block. Go ahead and start doing your design. Remember that the template below is just to help you line up things where they need to go. I would like you to redesign it and be original in your design. Make it different than what the original template looks like. Once your design is completed, we're going to go ahead and flip the paper. Before you do this, make sure you put front on the front side. This will help you out later. After you flipped your paper, let's use a normal number 2 pencil and go ahead and go over your lines. You're tracing over your design lines. Don't be afraid to kind of color in your lines and fill them a little bit wider than on the front side, and you want to put down a little bit of pressure to make them nice and dark. As you complete this, you're going to flip it back over and line it on top of your Lino block. We're going to go over again on the front side our lines, and this will start transferring the pencil from the back side onto our Lino block. You'll do this till you are completed. You can see it transferred. I would like you to go over your lines with the Sharpie marker. That's because the pencil has a tendency to smear on top of the Lino block. I'd hate for you to lose your image. Continue until you are completed with the Sharpie, going over your lines of your design. And there is your transfer completed.